In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Figma files into InDesign with our 2025 guide. This is a crucial skill for designers who love the collaborative power of Figma, but need the sophisticated publishing prowess of Adobe InDesign. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by visiting Figma. Simply head to your browser and navigate to the Figma website. If you don't have an account yet, now would be the time to either log in or sign up. Once you're logged in, look towards the top left where you'll find the Home button. Give that a click to access all of your recent files and resources. Now that you're on the home page, locate the file you wish to work on. Within the file interface, you'll find different tabs, but what we're focusing on today is the Design section. Select the file you have in mind for export and ensure it's the one you want, because this is what you'll be importing into InDesign. Next, you'll need to export this file. To do this, Figma provides an option called Export. Click on the Export button, which typically rests on the right-hand toolbar. When you click on it, you'll see several options for file formats. It might be tempting to use more complex formats, but for the purposes of this video, select SVG. This format retains the vector qualities and is compatible with InDesign, ensuring that your design maintains its scale and clarity. With your file now saved as an SVG on your computer, it's time to switch over to Adobe InDesign. Open the application and prepare to import your freshly exported SVG file. In the menu, navigate to File and then click on Place. From the dialog box that opens, locate your SVG file, select it, and insert it into your InDesign project. It's important to note that you can adjust its size and placement to better fit the context of your InDesign layout. Throughout this process, remember that accuracy is key. When exporting and importing, make sure your selections and settings are correct to avoid any design distortions. Always double check that everything is aligned and scaled to your satisfaction once in InDesign. And there you have it, you've successfully imported a Figma design into Adobe InDesign. It's that straightforward. This workflow allows you to enjoy the collaborative design environment of Figma with the sophisticated layout prowess of InDesign, giving you the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to see more guides like this.